it's Melissa Henig with rawpaleo.com, and I have not made a video in a really long time, so I'm excited to be here. I'm going to make really fast a raw buttercream frosting. I made this earlier. It's like just really simple. Hi Jeremiah. This was just old almond pulp, not old, but extra almond pulp I had from making this almond milk, apricots, a couple dates, and a little bit of coconut. So, look, it sticks in the pan. Oh, he's got the tripod. Chris? Okay, so for the buttercream frosting, I'm gonna use the rest of this butter. Look at the yellow color right now because it's spring. Spring butter has so many nutrients in them because the grasses are eating cows. Oh! So I'm gonna use just the rest of this. I kind of eye everything, and you'll learn how to eye things as well as you keep making recipes. So it's really soft because I've left it on the counter for a couple days actually. You don't have to leave it for a couple days. Use the rest of the butter. Usually when I use about a half pound of butter, I'll use 4 raw eggs, so you'll get a nice creamy consistency. It's really healthy to eat raw butter too, like 1 or 2 tablespoons a day. Okay. These are really good eggs. They're on grass, and they're not eating any soy. I'm gonna do 3. I think 3 eggs, so it's a little thicker of a frosting. So 1. So yeah, the bottom of the dish is vegan, and I really want some raw fat in the top, so I had this idea to make a buttercream frosting for the top of this little like raw cake thing. Okay, this is my raw vanilla bean powder. I have it in this little jar because we were moving and I had to condense things. But teaspoon of raw vanilla bean powder and raw local honey. That's gonna be it for the frosting. If you like it sweet, you can put more honey. If you don't want it too sweet, just put less. This looks like about a tablespoon. Okay. I don't want to waste any drop of the butter or the honey, so you just lick your fingers, you won't waste anything. Okay. That's it. You see that? Let's blend. Quite a while to get through like the grittiness of it, and then it gets smooth. And just kind of keep pushing it down. It'll get there. I want it pretty thick, it's like yellow frosting because the cows are eating grass. This is really awesome. Okay. You saw how much I had to work it though. I thought I should maybe cut that out, but you probably need to see it really needs to be worked in here. That looks awesome. Raw butter frosting. Okay, let's see if you can see me frost the cake. Let's see here. I'm just gonna pour it all on here, like this. And then I'll put it in the fridge so it'll harden just a little bit. And then it'll be like half this raw cake on the bottom and half this gorgeous raw frosting on top. Oops. And that's it. Thanks for watching.